Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn how to create a simple chatbot in Python. Before you watch this video, make sure you have a basic knowledge of Python. If you want to learn the language, make sure you have watched my Intro to Python video, Introduction to Python video, and then all my other Python videos. First, open up VS Code, click on Open Folder. Now go to Documents and then create a new folder, naming it Chatty, since that's going to be the name of the chatbot. Open. I'm going to create a new file called chat.py. Yeah, I know, I didn't name it index.py again. How great. First, I'm going to create a while loop. If you're wondering what a while loop is, a while loop, if I make a variable called x, and then it's going to write while x is less than 11, x plus equals 1, and that's going to print hello. Now if I, no, I'm meant to open Firefox. Close. So anyways, if I run the file python chat.py, then I'm also going to make it show the number, since it's kind of hard to see how many times it was printed x. So now you will see that it is going to print hello 11 times. So what the while loop does is that while x is less than 11, then it is going to increase x by 1 and print hello, which means it's going to print hello 11 times. Now if I remove this x plus equals 1, then it's going to keep printing hello forever until we stop the program manually. That is because x is always going to be 0. If you don't put x plus equals 1, x is always going to be 0, so the while loop will run forever. So yeah, we want our chatbots to run forever. So I'm going to write while true. While true basically means that this loop, anything inside of this while true, is going to be running forever forever until we stop the program. C is equal to input. Let's a chat. I know, how original. Let's attach chat. Now you see that when we write anything, nothing really happens. So I'm going to write if then C is equal to what's your name, then it is going to print my name is Chatty. Does this your name? It's going to say my name is Chatty. Chatty. Oh no, your name is Chatty. Your name. Now this is that if the player writes something that the chatbot doesn't recognize, that's going to print what are you saying? Blah blah blah. Now I want it so that if you write rubbish, then it's going to choose a bunch of random stuff. So I'm going to create an array. An array is basically used to store data. I'm going to write D is equal to, D's is equal to, the first one is going to be this one, what are you saying? The second one is going to be we are meant to chat. not say rubbish. And then the other one is going to be stop it. And then the last one is going to be no. The last one is going to be no rubbish allowed. Allowed. Yes. Now else it's going to print DS. Now if I it's meant to be chat.py. Now if I run the Python file, rubbish is going to literally say every single thing in this list. Now if I want to get the first item of the list, then I can write DS0, which is going to get the first item of the list. If I want to get the second item, I can write 1, the third item I can write 2, and last item I can write 3. So the array it starts from 0 and ends with the last element. So this is index 0, index 1, index 2, and index 3. Lastly, index 4. Wait, no, this is index 0, index 1, index 2, and lastly index 3. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I want it so that when I do that, it is going to print a random value. But Python doesn't have a built-in random function, but luckily import random. But it does have a random library for creating random values. Control C, Python chat.py. So now I want it so that I can put random.randint 0,10. So now, oh no, it's a random.randint 0,10. So now, if I write something the chatbot doesn't understand, it is going to print a random number between 0 and 10. So now, I want it to print a random value of the statement. So I'm going to write ds random.randint. So since this has 0, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to write 0,3. Control C. Now, if I write something the chatbot doesn't understand, then it is going to say a random thing. But the bad thing about this is that there's only like one command. So write if then C D in C, then it is going to print D. So if I write D, if I write to your name D, it's going to print D, because what this does is that if the letter D is in this C, this input, then it's going to print D with a question mark. Now I also want it so that if C is equal to your age, then it is going to print I don't have an age. Your age. I don't have an age. Ugh. Why do the people keep thinking I don't have an age? Age. Stop it. I don't have an age. Now I want it so that like we can ask the chatbot like 1 plus 1, and then if you ask the chatbot 1 plus 1, then it's going to print 2. Yeah, pretty meaningless. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, blah 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 blah. Now I want it so that we can also say something else. Like I can say give me a random number, and then it is going to print random.randint, and then it's going to generate a random number between 1 and this. See, give me a random number. No. I'm changing this to if then this is dd, then it's going to do that. dd. Oh, it's dd. Give me a random number. The number is a little bit big, but it's not bigger than the Habib. Now we also want it so that we can say chatty, then it is going to print something called ch, and then the ch is going to consist of all the commands we'll be able to say. Ch is equal to yes, and then the more we say chatty, the more angry the chatbot will get. I'm going to say yes. Stop it. This is not cool. Arg. And then finally, it is going to quit the program if you keep saying it. I'm going to create a number ch underscore n, which is equal to 0. Ch underscore n is equal to 0. Now it's going to print ch square bracket ch underscore n, and then I'm going to increase ch underscore n by 1 every time you say it. Python chats.py. Python chats.py. No. Python chat.py. Work. I guess I have to write it manually. Python chats.py. Chatty. Now I want it so that now we have to see how many elements are in this. So when you want to count how many elements are in an array, always start from 0. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I want it so that if then ch underscore n is equal to 7, then it is going to stop the entire program. Now chatty Now you see that when I write chatty like 8 times, that's going to stop the program. I mean 7. So anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.